Hey eBayers, it's Suzanne. Welcome back for another video. I wanted to share with you another question that came in through my premium content library that is a common occurrence, and this is how you should handle this situation professionally. She received a return request on a pair of Merrill shoes which the buyer said smelled like smoke, and she couldn't get the smell out with air freshener. That's not even the issue. The shoes arrived a few moments ago, and upon inspection they are missing the Merrill insoles. And a lot of shoes now come with those removable insoles so that you can either replace them or clean them. So that is not a unusual thing that the insoles came out. Lynn said that she wanted to contact the buyer and kindly ask her to return the insoles before we can refund her money, but this is her first return where I've had a problem with the buyer and don't want to take a wrong step. I saw your video about beating eBay scammers at their own game, and I'm hoping you have some words of wisdom for me in my particular situation. Okay, and she's referring to this video here, which you can look up on YouTube. It's called How to Beat eBay Scammers at Their Own Game. It's a situation that actually happened to me where I won, but it's about going through the proper channels to deal with people who are trying to take advantage of you. So Lynn says, how would you handle this? And she attached the photos. So the first thing you want to do whenever you get a weird request is to find out if it was intentional or if it was a mistake. And your first objective is to get some correspondence in place so that you can get eBay involved if needed. And just go into this assuming that they made a mistake and give them a chance to do the right thing, because we are all human. We make mistakes. Things happen. Kids distract us. Pets distract us. Family distracts us, and I hate that there's so much bad press out there about everything that comes through your eBay messaging that looks a little weird or a little off is somebody trying to scam you, because it's not. It's how you look at the world. And if you go into this with, okay, maybe they forgot, maybe there's an issue, we can resolve this, give the buyer a chance before you start jumping all over them to accuse them of things. We're going to ask some open-ended questions to get the facts. So this is the response I came up with for Lynn. It says, "Hi, we received the shoes today, but unfortunately the branded Merrill insoles are missing. Will those be coming in a separate package? If so, can you send the tracking information for that package? I have included photos of the item that was shipped to you and the item we received back." So she's just very friendly here, just saying, hey, what's going on here? Where's the rest of the product? Not accusing the buyer of anything, because if you go into it like that, the result is it's going to be very difficult to deal with the person to get what you want. So you just want to go in with a friendly tone and don't assume that they're out to get you. The letter continues, "We understand this may have been an oversight on your part. These insoles do come out easily. Just let us know when to expect the insoles so we can wrap up the refund for you." Okay. And I actually did put a copy of that letter in the materials section. So if this happens to you and you get a return of something that has multiple parts and you don't get all the parts back, you can use that same verbiage, manipulating it to suit your situation. But just check the materials section for that letter. So here is what happened. Lynn said, "I just want to thank you for this advice. The buyer apologized and sent them out right away. I'm so glad it was resolved with no hard feelings on my end or the buyer's end." And so here is what the feedback was from that buyer. "Fair and great communication. I appreciate how you handle business." So perfectly handled. No hard feelings, no scamming, just a misunderstanding. No big deal. It all got handled and she got good feedback, and I'm sure that Lynn can sell those shoes again. So everything can be handled professionally. You just take time to think through it and do it the right way. Okay, now I mentioned those customer response letters are part of the premium content library. So let me give you a quick update on that. As of today, February 4th, 2019, there are 134 videos with 46 hours of education. And in addition to that is this materials section that has a lot of other things that you can use for your business, such as these letters. If you have never had a customer service type job, which a lot of people doing eBay have not, this is your first experience with a home business or working with customers, and you just don't know what to say. So a lot of these are written out in here, and as things occur I write more of them, so you always have that to go to if you don't know how to reply to something. This also has all kind of free tools, downloads, worksheets, all kinds of stuff to help you with your business. And as I said, there are now 134 videos. Everything in here is downloadable. You can join for a month and download every single thing, and that's totally fine. The beauty of this is that it's kept current and new things are added every month. So when you join, your $20 a month covers everything that's already there, plus anything that's added, and one-on-one email support with me anytime you have a question, problem, situation with your eBay business that you need help on. So like we just saw in the video, Lynn did not know what to do there. She contacted me for advice, and I will answer you in 24 hours or less. It's usually less. So I'm here to help you with your eBay business. So if you've not yet explored the premium content library, the link is below the video, and I will see you there. Thanks for watching, and have a profitable, productive, and professional day on eBay. Bye.